NAN, we are going to manufacture our own aircrafts. That also has been a very much a dream for civil aviation in the country, that we should have our own manufactured full assembly line of regional transport aircraft also. Now today we are at a stage where we can manufacture the trainer aircraft. We are doing fighter combat planes. We are doing light combat helicopters. So if you look at different wings, we are able to produce them in individuality in different silos. But these all become the building blocks to develop our own regional transport aircraft, and which I believe that it is going to be very much true in the coming future also. With the kind of technology and the partnership that is building in both the private area and the technology that is growing academically and within the scientist community also. So that is something which we truly want to achieve. And for that it is important that we go step by step, and all these steps get proper foundations. And if you look at the time it takes for a pilot also to complete, on average, in India it is taking up to 3 years. Whereas the global average is 15 months. And some countries like South Africa, they are just doing it in 9 months. Why can't we do it in 9 months? So these are the things, these are the metrics that we should try to achieve in our FTO organizations, and we are thoroughly pursuing it from our civil aviation, because tomorrow we will see the planes coming in, we will see the growth of the airports, and then you will find that there is a dearth of pilots, then you can't do anything at that time. It is not that you can pick a student from a university and say and make him sit in the plane and say, go fly a plane. It doesn't happen like that. So you have to make him go through the training, you have to make him follow all due procedure, and then you can only make him sit as a pilot in the plane. So it is very important to deal with this situation where we need to generate more pilots in the country, and this becomes much more easier if you can develop an indigenous aircraft manufactured in the country. And now this is a world-class aircraft with full glass cockpit, with good avionics, and also what is more important, this is a practical challenge that we have observed in some of the FTOs, and why it takes 3 years also. Because they would have multiple number of planes, but whenever there is a technical issue with the plane, again the products need to be imported from some country. Wherever that manufacturing has happened, someone has to come, the parts have to come. Now that takes a lot of time. And even when you're dealing with these multiple countries, then the forex, everything, then that picks up the cost also. And so there are multiple challenges when the plane gets down because of maintenance, and that adds to the time the pilot takes to finish his course, and also the costs that are involved in completing the course also.